ఏబిఎన్ ఇండియన్ కిచెన్ ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ బటన్ నొక్కండి.
Hello ABN viewers, my name is Ayushi. I am one of the impossible kids at the Culinary Lounge, and today for all the ABN viewers, I will be making Polo al Pan. To make the Polo al Pan, we will need a little bit of flour. I have some chopped and boiled chicken. I have a little bit of mashed potatoes and butter, some Italian seasoning, and bread. And on the other hand, over here, we have some cheese, a little bit of chopped onion, some chilies, de-seeded and chopped tomatoes, and green peppers. The first step to our recipe is I have some maida over here, and I'm just going to form a slurry paste using water. This will actually act as our glue. As you can see, there is a nice paste consistency that it has come to. So now I have a bowl, and I'm just going to add our boiled and chopped chicken. As polo in Italian means chicken and pan means bread. So we have our chicken here. I am just going to add a little bit of the mashed potatoes, just like that. And then add in all our chopped ingredients. So I'm just adding in our green peppers, our tomatoes, some chilies, and the onions. There we have everything. Now we have to mix everything all together. Now that we have all our ingredients in the bowl all combined well, as you can see, we keep it for resting. Now taking a piece of bread, we are just going to take our slurry and apply it on the corners. You want to apply enough so that it acts as a glue. Now that the slurry has been applied, we'll take our filling, just like that, and put it in the middle. Now using another piece of bread right here, we are first going to put our cheese in, like that, and I have some Italian seasoning over here, which we are just going to drizzle on the top. Now that our inside is all ready, we are going to take the other piece of bread, and using water, I'm just going to damp my hands, and using my hands, I'm just going to press it down. Now that it is all pressed down, using a glass, we are just going to cut a circular shape. So now we have our first Polo al Pan. I have made 4 Polo al Pans, and now we are just going to take butter and apply it on both the sides. Please be generous with your butter, because then it will give you a good golden finish. Just going to take this. As you can see, we have buttered our Polo al Pans well, and we've used a lot of butter. And now we are going to refrigerate this for 10 minutes. So now it's time that we fry the Polo al Pans. And to do that, we are just going to take our saucepan. And a little trick is, whenever you want to fry something in butter, we add a little bit of oil so that the butter does not burn. We are adding a little bit of oil, and we are not going to deep fry it, we are just going to pan fry it. Now I have taken out the polo alpans from the refrigerator, and we are just going to put them and start to fry them. As you can see, it's sizzling perfectly and we have a nice crust that has formed. I have flipped the side which was on the top. Now we are just going to let this fry a little more longer to get the perfect golden brown crust. A couple of flips are required so that we do not burn any of the sides. There we go, viewers. We have the perfect golden crusted polo alpans served with some homemade salsa and a sprinkle of Italian seasoning. Dear viewers, I hope you guys love this recipe. This is Ayushi Gupta signing off.
ఏబిఎన్ ఇండియన్ కిచెన్ ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ బటన్ నొక్కండి.